How to add a channel on Discord mobile easy and fast. Hello guys, in this video we show you how to add a channel on your Discord mobile easy and fast. First go to Discord and all you need to do just go to your server and then click this icon, plus icon, click on it, and as you see now all you need to do just type name like something like this, and then choose channel type, and then click this one, and as you see the channel has been added. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.